A new military alliance is emerging in the Islamic world. Imagine combining Saudi Arabia's financial power, Turkey's booming defense industry, and Pakistan's nuclear arsenal under one strategic partnership. That's why reports of a new defense pact between these three countries are raising eyebrows. Some are even calling it an Islamic NATO. But is that really what's happening? According to many reports, Turkey, Saudi Arabia, and Pakistan are getting into a new defense agreement aimed at expanding military cooperation, joint security efforts, and defense coordination. So, why is this compared to the NATO? NATO is based on the idea of collective defense. An attack on one member is treated as an attack on all. Last year, Saudi Arabia and Pakistan signed a strategic mutual defense agreement with a similar security concept. If Turkey joins and more countries eventually become a part of this agreement, it could evolve into a much larger economic or military bloc. Well, that's why analysts have started using the term Islamic NATO, even though no such alliance officially exists today. Each country brings a unique strength. Saudi Arabia offers enormous financial resources and influence across Middle East. Turkey has become one of the world's fastest growing defense manufacturers, exporting drones, missiles, and advanced military equipment. Pakistan contributes one of the largest militaries in the Muslim world and importantly is the only Muslim majority country with nuclear weapons. Together, they could create a far more influential regional security partnership. However, it is important not to exaggerate the development. These countries have different strategic priorities and maintain complex relationships with powers like the United States, China, and Iran. A defense agreement does not automatically mean that they will function like the NATO with fully integrated military operations. Now, why should India watch this very closely? The biggest reason is Pakistan. Any agreement that strengthens Pakistan's military partnerships deserves attention to India. Closer cooperation with Turkey could give Pakistan greater access to advanced defense technology, while Saudi Arabia could provide financial backing for defense projects and expanded military exercises. Second, Turkey has repeatedly supported Pakistan on the Kashmir issue. A stronger defense partnership between the two countries could also lead to closer diplomatic coordination on issues affecting India. Third, India has spent years building strong strategic energy and investment ties with Saudi Arabia. If Riyadh becomes more deeply involved in a defense grouping where Pakistan plays a central role, New Delhi will closely monitor whether that affects the regional security dynamics and more broadly, this reflects a bigger global trend. Countries are increasingly forming new regional alliances instead of relying solely on Western led security institutions. Whether it's BRICS in economics or new defense partnerships in the West Asian region, the global order is becoming more multipolar. The bottom line is this: there is no official Islamic NATO, but a defense pact between Turkey, Saudi Arabia, and Pakistan marks a significant strategic shift.